Well, from one corporate to another, we have with us Venkat, Jasti, Chairman and CEO of Suven Life Sciences, which has as well delivered its fourth quarter numbers. Top line at 257 crores, profits at 68 crore rupees. Let's understand then what happened in the fourth quarter. Mr. Jasti, thank you for joining in on ET now. If you could just first up round up what exactly transpired for Suven Life in the fourth quarter specifically, since we already have, we already do know what happened in the first 9 months. So let's focus on the fourth quarter. What exactly led the top line growth and the profitability?
Thank you for the call. And as far as the fourth quarter is concerned, as you could see from the past experience, the fourth quarter is always a good quarter because the numbers wise, because one of the specialty chemicals goes in the fourth quarter always. So the numbers are very good. That's why you see quarter-on-quarter growth is very good. But year-on-year, we are more or less flat, except 6% growth in the top line and 5% less in the profits.
So going forward, Mr. Jasti, what are the drugs that are essentially going to lead growth?
Some of the commercialized products from the CRAMS one of them has already gone in last year, and that will continue for the women's health. The other products for our customers are then the diabetes and the rheumatoid arthritis. I think that will give us a 15 to 20% to 30% growth this year. So overall, we expect the CRAMS side of the business, the growth will be around 10 to 15%, and on the specialty chemical side, the business will be around, more or less flat.
Okay, all right. Let's talk about your R&D cost. I understand it was at around 7% of the revenue in this quarter. So going forward, what's the outlook over there? I mean, will it go higher?
Yeah, more or less it will be in the same range as far as the R&D cost in the standalone is concerned. But we have the heavy R&D costs that are going in the consolidation, where we do our clinical development of our molecules in USA under Suven Neurosciences Inc. And one of the lead compound, Suven 502, which is now given the new chemical name by the World Health Organization as Masuperidine, finished the final leg of the clinical trial last week, and the data will be coming sometime, hopefully before July 17th, where we are going to present at the International Alzheimer's Conference for the Alzheimer's patients. And the second compound is G3031, and that is starting. We are going to file the IND this quarter and hopefully start the clinical trial for the narcolepsy next quarter. And the cumulative for the next year will be about $10 to $15 million expense on the Suven Neurosciences Inc., which will be under consolidation.
You mentioned that, the specialty part of the business will be flattish. Essentially, if you could explain what the impact of that would be on the margins, because this quarter as well, there's been a tad bit of a compression. So will margins as well be slightly under pressure or just remain at this level because of that?
Yeah, compared to the CRAMS, the specialty is the revenue growth, not revenue, on the bottom line will be around 15% net profit level. And that will also have some effect based on the raw materials which we source sometime from the China, which happened this year also. That's why you see a compression in the margins. Even though growth is there 6%, but the bottom line is down by 5%.
Understood. Okay, Mr. Jasti, thank you so much for joining in then on ET now and helping us understand what went by in the fourth quarter, and of course a sense of what we can expect from here on as well. Specialty business may be flattish. CRAMS business, however, is something that will do well going forward.